Hey, what's up family? How are you doing? It's your girl back again. Karibu sana to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, you are so much welcome. Here is a channel where we cook various African delicacies on a very budget-friendly account. So today guys, we are going to be preparing egg curry right away. Let's go into our ingredients. With me here, I have some milk, I have some ginger, I have some onions, I have some cumin seeds, and I have the eggs itself. Then I have my tomato paste, I have my tomatoes, and I have one beef cube. So let's go and get into it. So add our garlic at this point because obviously, like I normally say, garlic quiver as fast as possible. Yeah, and let it cook. So guys, I'm going to add my cumin seeds at this point. Just a pinch like that. Cumin seed will give me a nice flavor. At this point, I'm gonna come in with our tomato. And I'm also going to add my tomato paste. So remember, like I always tell you, tomato paste will give your food some nice color. It will deepen the color of the food, and also not only that, it will also help to level the spices. That is when you're using a lot of spices. So yeah, as you can see, the color is amazing right now. So since I'm making egg curry, I'm going to use only one spice, which is my curry cube. Here it is. Just one cube is enough for me. You can also use the powdered curry powder. Still will serve you good. So I'm just gonna let this cook, then we continue. So at this point, I'm going to add my milk. Yeah, this is warm milk. Nice and easy. But you can also add some natural yogurt if you have some. But for me, I'll be using some milk. And I forgot to add sugar. I forgot to sorry guys, it's not sugar, it's salt. So according to your liking. And I'm going to now add in my eggs. So I'm going to give it time to cook, like 5 minutes, and come back. Yeah, so after 5 minutes, let's check the magic going on here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm in love with this. Wow. Guys, look at how the soup is so thick. Wow. So when you see me adding dhania, we're done. So yeah. Wow. And your egg curry is ready. You can serve this with chapati, with rice. Yeah. So let me serve it. So wow guys, kwanza kama sijaendelea, as you can see, my guy over here has joined me.
Yeah.
So you remember him from the story time?
You know the flow. Say no more. It's your boy says more.
So he was like, if you're cooking, I'm not going anywhere. I have to be there. Even if I won't feature, I'll be there to give the remarks.
Definitely.
So thank you. So thank you for staying. Now you can do the honors. Here is my curry served with rice. You can serve it with chapati. So
you're talking too much.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh, this looks demand.
You know something here. There's something here in me.
Guys, this is like dipping yourself in a pool filled with dog meat. Yeah, it's like gushing through several galaxies and just getting mesmerized by the colors of creativity at its absolute nature. Oh,
Oh my god.
oh my God, I need more of this.
Okay.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, please. This is too much. You need to try this, by the way. Oh, guys, this is genuine, but I'm not faking it. Yeah.
Wow. I feel so good.
Oi, yo, this is mad, honestly.
Thank you so much.
Gee. Hands up, man.
Oh, thank you. Wow, that feels good. This guy really knows how to appreciate your effort.
You need to cut the car, I need to finish.
Let us just wrap from here. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you're gonna try. Like I normally say, when you try, share to all my social medias.
Come on.
My Instagram, Tishan_Koki. My WhatsApp, Facebook, Koki. So yeah, till next time from us to you guys. Bye bye.
Peace. Adios.